Ooh, guys, just got a package. So let's just open this bad boy. No way, guys. It finally came. It finally came. The paper I've always wanted. No, I'm joking. It's actually... Boom. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of this filter for you guys. I'm not gonna like go into depth of what actually is what this thing is about and what I think about it, but I'll probably give you a first impression of like what I think of it and how excited I am. So I'm pretty keen to open this bad boy, so if you're keen, stick around. It comes now. There we go, guys. Check this thing out. Okay, so it seems like just slips out. Whoa, guys. Is it just me or is this packaging immaculate? Like, holy shit. The texture on the box is amazing. Got a little pull tab here. Whoa, guys. This is premium shit. Wow. This is probably the box that it comes in. Cool, this is the filter. Let's put that aside for now. Check what else inside this box. Little foam for your foamy needs. And then, boom, we got a little card, envelope with some details. Info, stickers, cloth, info, envelope. Okay, guys, look at that mess already. Okay, what's this? So we got a nice little picture of, I don't know, looks like Italy to me. But y'all, nice cleaning cloth. Pretty cool Polar Pro logo there. So guys, you can see the mic in this reflection. Hold on. Guys, is this a better setup? Listen, you can, I can't see the mic. Looks better, eh? Okay, but anyway, continuing with this little random unboxing I did. Look at those mess I've made. Anyway, looks like the last thing in here is this little carrying pouch that you're probably gonna slip your filter into. Very, very nice. Look like there's a cloth in here. Oh, okay, cool. I see it's attached to it. So like you can maybe put your filter in this thing, It's like clean as a bean, you guys. So yeah, that's it. Let's close this box. Get ahead into this little filter. So I'm not actually sure what this little case is made of, but it looks like a very nice plastic. It's shiny. It looks almost like metal. But yeah, as you can see, it's a is this thing gonna focus? 67mm filter thread, circular polarizer. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, some little magnet ASMR for you guys. Yo, that's satisfying. Okay, enough playing. Take out this filter. Ooh, guys, this thing is premium. Like apparently they say this little copper ring here is actually made out of brass, so it's metal. Compared to like cheaper filters you get, it's like plastic. So this is really a step up. And the dial is quite smooth. Like it's not, I wouldn't say it's like buttery smooth, but it's really easy to turn it. So yeah, guys, I'm actually quite excited for this thing. We'll definitely make a video, maybe an in-depth review on this thing or whatever, but that's it for now. Okay guys, that's basically it that I had planned for the day. Like I literally just wanted this thing to arrive and now I did. So basically what I'm gonna do, if I just want to get into frame, I'm very slow down to the ground now. I feel like a hip-hop master MC star. Anyway, guys, just going to my girlfriend now. Probably gonna spend the day there. Maybe vlog, maybe not vlog. If there's no vlog, you'll probably know. If there's nothing, you also know. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that little whatever that was unboxing of a filter. It's really the boringest thing you've ever done, probably for the day. So if you want to get with it, please subscribe, please like the video. And comment down below what you want to see next. So sweet guys, I hope you enjoy the day and stay blessed.